Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, I'm so sorry that I'm having naked, showing you my chest, but not totally naked. I'm still wearing underwear. Not underwear. I mean pant, short pant. So it's been a long time that I haven't uploaded my video. So tomorrow is gonna be fun because tomorrow be have I will be hiking and touring by riding the motorbike and then trekking one of the mountains and then jungle in North Sumatra Island. It's gonna be fun tomorrow. And I have done packing everything in my backpack. I have bring all the things. This is socks and all the things. And of course I need the swimsuit because I want to swim tomorrow and get tan. That's the most important thing for me because my skin is getting whiter, so I want to make this tanning. And we'll see what's gonna happen tomorrow, but I promise you that I will upload every single moment what I'm doing there later on, so you're gonna miss my activity and then the whole crazy stuffs and the silly things that I will be doing there later on. It's been midnight. I have to go to sleep, but before that I wanna take a shower because I haven't taken a shower yet. So smelly. I can't wait for tomorrow. So we'll see you again, okay? But anyway, I wanna say Happy Chinese New Year to those of you who celebrate it. Okay, wish you prosperity and then happiness and joyful. Okay, we'll see you again tomorrow. Not tomorrow, I mean later on. I promise. Okay, bye bye. Good night. See ya.